Greetings from Engramium Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to walk you through the top improvements coming to WordPress 6.9. And there are plenty of exciting changes to explore. If you want to try the update yourself, you don't need to touch your live website. You can use WordPress Playground, a free tool that lets you test WordPress safely in your browser. You can also install WordPress Beta Tester plugin, which you can see on my screen right now. I will drop the link in the description for you. You can try new version through the command line or by downloading the testing build as well. So this is the instruction how you can try using command line. I will include the link for that in the video description as well. For this video, I am going to use WordPress Playground. So this is the WordPress Playground, which is running WordPress 6.9. Now that everything is ready, let's jump into the improvements in WordPress 6.9. I will show you the changes live with two sites side by side. One is running WordPress 6.8 and this is the WordPress Playground, which is running WordPress 6.9. Let's get started. One of the most exciting new feature in WordPress 6.9 is the ability to leave notes on any block. Others are new Accordion block. For example, if we try this one, this is the new Accordion block introduced in WordPress 6.9. We have the stretchy paragraph and stretchy heading, time to read, terms query, math block, hide block. When it comes to the improvement, there are plenty of improvements including better drag and drop, abilities API and so on. So let's explore one by one. To explore that, let's go to the WordPress Playground, and if we go to post, all post, we can create a new post or we can edit the existing one. Let's edit this one. It has small text. Now first one is the block note. If we select this one, and if we would like to add the note, we will click this three dot and we will get an option called add note. So let's add a note, change it to WP, and we'll click on add note. Basically, we can select the block, we can click these three dots and we will be able to add notes. A simple note editor appears. Type your feedback and save. The author of the post or page will get a notification like new note on your post. There will be author, the email, message, and editors now also have the notes panel, which is this one. If we click this one, we'll be able to see, or author of the post will see all the notes in here. This is the notes panel, the ability to reply, resolve, or view all notes across the page or post or any block. This is a huge workflow improvement, especially for teams. Second feature that we are going to explore, that is Accordion block. WordPress 6.9 introduces a brand new Accordion block perfect for FAQs. To explore that, let's click this plus icon and search for Accordion. So this is the Accordion block. Let's click on this document overview. And so this is the Accordion block. Inside each accordion, you will get accordion item, accordion heading, a panel where you can add any block, image, videos, paragraphs, whatever you want. So click on this accordion panel. If we click this plus, we can add image. Let's upload an image. So we have uploaded an image on the accordion panel. You can also add unlimited items. To do that, we'll click on this accordion, and in here you will get an option called add item. So let's add an item in here, accordion 2. Let's give a title, title 1, and this is our accordion 2. And let's copy some content from here. Let's copy and paste it in here. So this is the overview of the accordion block. You can add unlimited items, enable auto close. So opening a new items closes to previous one, toggle the plus icon on and off, change the icon position as well. To get those options, we'll click on this settings If we click on this accordion, we'll get all the option. We have the option to auto close. Let's enable this one. We have the option to show icon. If we disable this one, this little plus icon will be disabled. Icon position, we can configure left or right. So let's save this one and view the post on the front end. So this is our accordion. If we click this plus icon, the image shows. So this is our accordion 2. This is the paragraph. Now that the plus icon is showing left, it's because we have configured on the left. Number 3, stretchy paragraph or stretchy heading. A super fun visual upgrade. You can now transform a normal paragraph or heading into a stretchy paragraph or stretchy heading. These blocks automatically stretch across the available width. Great for hero sections, call to action, clean and modern layouts. You will find them as standalone blocks too. So let's explore the stretchy heading or stretchy paragraph block. To explore that one, we will click this plus icon to add the block and search for stretchy. This is the stretchy paragraph and this is the stretchy heading. So let's add the stretchy heading. So let's add the heading. This is our stretchy heading. So this is the overview of the stretchy paragraph or stretchy heading. Number 4 is time to read. WordPress 6.9 includes a new time to read block that automatically calculates reading time. You can display it as a range, 3 to 5 minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, or a single estimate. You can even switch it to word count block with one click. I do wish there was an option to add simple text before or after, like estimated reading time, but for now you can wrap it in a group block and customize the layout. So let's explore that one. We will add the block, reading time, time to read block. So this is the switcher. We can switch it to time to read or we can transform it to word count as well. So this is the time to read block. Number 5 is terms query. This is really useful. The terms query block lets you display a list of categories, tags, or any custom taxonomy. So let's add a new block by clicking this plus icon, search for terms query. You can also show terms names, show post counts, show nested terms, list the number of terms displayed, customize the template right from the editor. Super flexible. For example, as we have added the block, we have the option to show the names or names and counts. For this video's demonstration, we'll click the name and count. As you can see, we have the category called uncategorized. If we click on the show empty terms, we'll get all the terms and categories. We have the option to show nested terms as well. Category, we can select the tags. So this is our tags. We can configure the order name A to Z, Z to A, count high to low, count low to high, and so on. Number 6, math block. Math lovers will really enjoy this one. There is now a dedicated math block. You can write formulas using math syntax and it will render beautifully on the page. Let's add the math block first. We'll search for math. So this is the math block. You can also insert math inline inside a paragraph, great for educational or technical content. For example, if we type 2 plus 2 equal to 4, so this will show as it is as the math. Number 7, hide a block function. You can now hide a block from the front end without deleting it. Before exploring this one, let's add an image first. For example, let's add this image, the media library. So this is the image that we are going to select, and let's save first and view this on the front end. So this is the image that we have added. Now if we go to the back end and select this image, if we can click this 3 dot and we'll get an option called hide. Let's hide this one and save. If we go to the front end, it won't show on the front end, and for now it won't show on the back end as well. So note that for now, hidden blocks are also hidden in the editor until you toggle visibility again. So if we click this image and let's click this three dot, and we'll get an option called show. Let's click this one and it will show again. Let's check this on the front end. So this is the image that we have added, and try hide the block. It's a super useful feature for draft and testing. Number 8 is better drag and drop. The drag and drop interaction has been improved. So before, you would drag a faded ghost version of the block. So as you can see, so this is the image. To give you a comparison, let's go to the WordPress 6.8 and let's select a post. So let's edit this one, and if we try to drag this image, you will see a faded version of the block. Now let's try this on the WordPress 6.9. If we try to drag this one, there will be no faded version of the block. Now you move the actual block in the real time, making the editor feel smoother and more responsive. Number 9, command palette everywhere. Press Command plus K or Control plus K and you can jump into templates, open settings, navigate everywhere or anywhere in the site editor or WP admin. Having this available on the front end would make it even more useful. Hopefully we will see that added in the future release. So if we try, we can add before, we can add item, and if you go to the WordPress backend and type command plus K, we can go to the template, we can go to the settings, we can click the view site and so on. Now let's talk about the developer updates, abilities, API and more. Let's go to the documentation, and if we scroll down, and we will be able to see developer and API update. For developer, 6.9 includes major updates, abilities API, a unified registry of WordPress capabilities designed for AI integration, automation, plugins that communicate intelligently. This API lies the foundation for future AI-powered WordPress workflow. Other updates includes interactivity API improvements, new HTML API tools, data views and data form components, block building API and so on. There are some performance improvements as well. And one thing I would like to mention in here, there is no default theme for 6.9. We will continue using 2025 because the focus is now on the site editor advancement rather than the themes. Now let's talk about the template improvements, originally planned for 6.9 but now postponed. Multiple templates for the same type. You will be able to save multiple versions of the same template, multiple single post templates, active deactive templates, keep all the templates even when switching the themes. To check the template management, so let's take this one and you can check all the details about the template management. Template assignment by category would make the workflow much more flexible. Hopefully we will see that in the future release. That's it. With this, we'll wrap up this video. Another exciting update. The site editor keeps leveling up and we are getting closer to see the block editor powerful for complex business sites. Who knows, maybe the WordPress 7.0 will be the game changer. Share your thoughts in the comments. I will enjoy hearing your perspective. And hey, if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn the notification bell so you don't miss any future WordPress updates. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.